Assalamu alaikum, you're watching LG News and I'm Mahamarif Khwaja. Let's begin with the headlines first. First two-day World Media Conference on Global Journalism and Communication Technology 2021 was held at Lahore Garrison University. Lahore Garrison University signs MOU with CXO Global Forum. LGU organized special lecture on media ethics and laws. Federal government to abolish the Autonomy of Higher Education Commission. President Arif Alvi signs HEC Amendment Ordinance. Punjab Higher Education Commission has invited applications for the International Research Support Fellowship. Ministry of Federal Education starts new method of teaching in schools. On direction and vision of Federal Minister for Education and Professional Training, Mr. Shafqat Mahmood, 3 projects of technology integration in education are signed between FDE and Tech.org. Let's move on to the details. First two-day World Media Conference on Global Journalism and Communication Technology 2021 was held at Lahore Garrison University. First World Media Conference on Global Journalism and Communication Technology was organized by Department of Mass Communication on 6th and 7th April 2021 under the patronage of Vice Chancellor Lahore Garrison University, Major General Retired Shehzad Sikandar. The chief guest of the event was Vice Chancellor University of Okada, Professor Dr. Zakaria Zakir. The conference was divided into 6 sessions over the course of 2 days according to the predetermined themes. National and international speakers participated in the online sessions and presented their illustrious research work to the audience. The conference turned out to be a successful interactive activity through which not only the academia related to media and communication studies discussed various dynamics of research and practice, but the students of LGU also showed maximum participation by posing different questions to the speakers. Despite being an online conference, the participation of students, teachers, and speakers was extraordinary, both in terms of numbers as well as in terms of nature of media research. It has been recommended by the organizers, students, and the participants of the conference that World Media Conference should be carried out at Lahore Garrison University on annual basis, so that the exposure of students and media researchers can be enhanced appropriately. Lahore Garrison University signs MOU with CXO Global Forum. The ceremony was held on March 10, 2021 at LGU. Ms. Anza Saqib, Head of Corporate Affairs for CXO Global Forum and Vice Chancellor of Lahore Garrison University, Major General Retired Shehzad Sikandar, Registrar Brigadier Mahmood Bashir Bajwa, Dr. Arif Javed, Director Academics, Dr. Amir Mahmood Bajwa, Chairperson Mass Communication, and Mr. Muhammad Tahir, Director Student Affairs, was present at the event. Ms. Anza Saqib, on behalf of CXO Global Forum, agreed to bring guest speakers from multiple industries of corporate sector in upcoming LGU TV programs, seminars, and workshops to broaden the horizons of the talented and hardworking students of the university. The collaboration will open up enhanced professional development opportunities for LGU students by working with CEOs and corporate giants. LGU organized special lecture on media ethics and laws. A formal lecture on media ethics and laws were organized by Department of Mass Communication at Iqbal Auditorium, Lahore Garrison University on 11 March 2021. Honorable Senior Advocate Mr. Zafar Iqbal Kalanori was invited as the guest speaker to impart his knowledge and enlighten the media students and the future of journalists regarding the media ethics and laws of Pakistan. More than 70 students attended the lecture. The guest speaker comprehensively discussed the media ethics and laws, engaging the students by sharing his personal experience, and addressed his opinions regarding the role of media and particularly PAMRA, the role it plays in our society, and Iqbal's personal opinions and criticism. Mr. Zafar Iqbal also encouraged and counseled the future journalists on the role they could play in the improvement of journalism and reporting. The lecture ended with a friendly question-answer session that was enthusiastically welcomed by the guest lecturer and the students who stepped out of the auditorium with more knowledge and information. Federal government to abolish the Autonomy of Higher Education Commission, Executive Director to be appointed on federal government's recommendation. The federal government has announced to abolish the autonomy of the Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. According to the concerned authorities, HEC will subordinate to the Ministry of Education. All the rights to take the decision related to the academic and examination matters will be shifted to the Ministry of Education. The Federal Cabinet has approved the ordinance related to this. The Federal Cabinet has improved the ordinance related to this matter. After the implementation of this decision, All the proposals made by the Higher Education Commission will be subject to the approval of the Ministry of Education. The President of Pakistan, Arif Alvi, has approved the ordinance and it has been named as HEC Amendment Ordinance 2021. According to the HEC Ordinance, the chairperson of the Commission will be appointed for 2 years, while the other members will be appointed for 4 years. The President also said that the chairperson and the other members will not be eligible for the reappointment after completing their term. Moreover, the President has taken back the authority of appointing the Executive Director from the Federal Education Ministry and shifted it to the Commission. The number of the members of HEC has been increased from 10 to 13. That also includes the private member. Punjab Higher Education Commission has invited applications for the International Research Support Fellowship. The eligible male and female candidates are encouraged to apply to this offered research program. PhD scholars enrolled in any University of Punjab are eligible to be selected to do the research in QS Top Ranking 200 Universities of 2021. The fellowship is offered in the various subjects that include science and technology, social sciences, arts, humanities, and management sciences. The duration of the International Research Support Fellowship is 6 months. PHEC will provide the various expenses to the students that include bench fee, living allowance stipend, and prescribed air tickets. Ministry of Education starts new method of teaching in schools. Following Prime Minister Imran Khan's vision to digitize education, the Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training has launched an initiative for blended e-learning in collaboration with knowledge platform TeleTaleem and RobotMe. Blended learning combines online education and materials and opportunities for online interactions with traditional classroom methods. A pilot project for the purpose will be launched in the Federal Capital, where different technologies will be used in different levels of education to test and understand the effectiveness of these technologies on students' learning. Commenting on the development of Federal Minister for Education, Shafqat Mahmood said that digital and blended learning is the future. With schools all over the world residing because of COVID-19, blended learning is becoming the new normal. The Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training, as a part of its response strategy to COVID-19, is piloting blended learning project to assist students and teachers in ensuring learning continuity. He said that a third-party baseline evaluation of the project will help them assess its efficiency and results will be shared with all the federating units. Additionally, this project will be introduced on a national level. By integrating different tools, robotic kits, IoT kits with science and maths curriculum, the minister said that they will establish discovery innovation laboratories in schools. The pilot project will begin from the new session, which starts in August. On direction and vision of Federal Minister for Education and Professional Training, Mr. Shafqat Mahmood, 3 projects of technology integration in education are signed between FDE and TechOrg. The 3 projects will be implemented in FDE schools in the first phase. RobotMe is introducing robotic kits integrated with existing science and maths kits from grade 6 to 8. TeleTaleem will establish 40 classrooms with blended learning where teachers will be assisted by technology and digital content. Knowledge Platform will establish 80 classrooms which required blended learning infrastructure in 3 years. These projects will be introduced nationwide in the second phase. That's all for now. Me, Maham Khwaja, signing off. Allah Hafiz.